Having done the shortlisting, we went for vetting. The vetting went through the same criteria that Equity and other banks are using, where we were looking at the most deserving students, those who are totally orphan or partially, and we look at the level of need also. Having done that, we sat down and looked at all the notes that we put down so as to come out with the most deserving students for Alego Usonga. By doing that, we came out with a total of 54 students that we vetted. After vetting, we got that 54 were the most needed students that ought to be taken to all the secondary schools that are there all over the country.
So far, we have received a total of 30 million, of which this will go to different sectors. And of that, there are so many sectors, and including the bursaries and the rest. Now, we have, out of 30 million, we have taken 3.1 to take particularly this program, because we have got other needs also, which is coming next week.
I would like to thank the Honorable Samuel Atandi for initiating this program, since it will help many children, including me. My parents did not have the money to take me to Kisumu Girls, but now I will go to that school.
From Kanyabuli Primary School, I got 396 marks, and I'm called in Maseno School. I'm very happy, and I want to appreciate His Honorable Samuel Atandi for what he has done to us, for initiating the bursary budget for us to go to school. We almost lost hopes because we were unable to afford the fees of the school that we were called in.
Ta yao kuina makiriri